my name is Teena, if it's not obvious enough. I'm in the bathroom. This isn't my house. I'm at my sister's house. I think it would be perfect to show you my old skincare routine that I'm trying to get back to. Because in person or online, I usually get questions about my skincare. So what a perfect way to show you than like actually doing it in front of you, diba? So pardon me, kakatapos ko lang maligo. Basta ang hair ko, this is the very raw Teena arches. Wala akong anything, di pa nga ako naghuhugas ng face. I have my rash here from a necklace na kasi medyo sensitive yung skin ko kapag I'm wearing fake necklaces. Eh, I have a favorite na talagang lagi ko siyang sinusuot and nandyan yung pendant and nandyan din yung rash. So, please, pardon it. At nakapantulog na ako. Link down below where you can get this pantulog because I love it. This products that I have right now, I've been using this for years. Ito yung lagi ginagamit nung nasa college pa ako kasi I didn't know much about skincare. I don't know what to use. So, ito yung pinaka-safe that I could recommend to people. So, sakto kasi may dumating sa mail ko like a week ago. And it's perfect kasi ito yung brand na talagang ginagamit ko before. So, I got sent a big one and a small Celitec facial wash. Pinapawisan ako. Okay, so this one was sent to me and honestly, it's easier for me to talk about products that I actually have used before kasi I can talk about it. Mas gamay ko siya, parang ganun. Dati, ang ginagamit ko yung mga maliliit, yung mga ganito kaliit. They have a smaller one like this as well, but binili ko to kanina kasi nga, like I said, I'm in a different house and I forgot my skincare. So, I had to buy this. This one, I've tried and tested. Nakakailang bote ako ng ganito back in college. So, I can tell you na this is very, very okay for me. I have combination skin. If you have the same, then these products will also work on you. Bumili rin ako kanina ng Moisturizing Gel kasi, like I said, I have combination skin. So, oily to, but this part is very, very dry. Yung pinili ko is acne clearing kasi I do have a pimple right there and a little bit of there. So, this one I wanted to try because back then, I don't know kung until now, from where I bought it before, I would buy it from Mercury Drug or Watson's because they always had it. Meron pa silang pa-bundle na may facial wash, my toner, and my moisturizer. So this is good for people who doesn't know yet what to buy, but you really want to start taking care of your skin. Kasi Celitec has always been gentle on the skin. So I've never heard anybody complain about it. I've never heard anyone say na nag-break out sila from it. But that's from my experience. Yung masasabi ko sa inyo, it's from what I have gone through. I've never had a problem using these products. Pag may mga beginner na nagtatanong sa akin, I always say, just start with Celitec because it's dermatologist tested, hypoallergenic, it's fragrance free, so it's very, 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 kumbaga like it's the safest way to start your skincare. In my opinion. So, I also bought, kasi tomorrow meron akong photo shoot. So, I bought some sun care and then also a spray for the body. I just wanted to try these kasi syempre, we need to start taking care of it for the sun protection as well. We actually often forget that. Even if you don't see the difference now, still do it because skincare is hindi siya agad-agad kind of thing. Parang the effects will show over time or like when you grow up, your skin's not gonna be as bad or it's not gonna be as saggy, it's not gonna be as dry. So better to take care of your skin now. Sabi nga nila, prevention is better than to cure. So that is with me and skincare. I've been religiously taking care of my skin ever since I was 15 years old. So I started gentle first and then tsaka na kayo magdo sa mga branded, diba? You know, start with something simple and something that is very easy to buy as well kasi maraming Mercury Drug, maraming Watson's around or you can buy it online, link down below. So I'm gonna show you how I clean my face from start to finish. Actually, skincare is so important. It's more important than doing your makeup. Honestly, you should definitely learn how to do your skincare as early as, honestly, 16 or 15 years old even. Yun, o diba? Parang cute!
Isang dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang Pilipina. Dalagang Pilipina.
Okay. So, pardon the lighting. Meron akong DIY lighting dito. Okay. So, I am in front of a sink right now. So I can do it for you guys as I would do it normally. Okay. So, first off, I will start with my hydration facial wash with natural moisture factor. Like I said, if you don't know what facial wash to start with or to buy, you can start with this. It's very gentle. It's not drying sa skin kasi meron tayong mga facial wash out there na pagkatapos mo gamitin, it's very drying sa skin. And I can tell you that 100% it is very true. With this one, I can also also attest to you na hindi siya nakaka-dry ng skin. It's a clear gel, and then I buy like yung mga ganitong sponge, and then that's what I use on my nose to get rid of my black hands. So basta, oh my gosh, makikita niyo akong like shabar-shabar yung face. I'm wet. This is all you need. You don't really need much. So spread it around your face. I start with my cheek, and then my nose, and then I go under like that, but not on your eyes, and then on my chin, and then forehead, then the side, like so. And I also go very fast on my eyes, like that. So after that is done, I get my sponge, and then gently rub your nose area, like that. Gently lang, para matanggal yung mga dead skin na nandyan. Kasi pag mas oily yung part ng skin mo, mas dyan namumuo yung mga bacteria or like dead skin, gano'n. But pretty much your whole face sheds naman every single day. Papasadahan ko lang dito sa cheeks. And then, I wash it. Alam niyo guys, sobrang moisturizing niya. Habang binabalawan ko, it feels like I had put lotion on because it's very moisturizing. Kasi yung iba talaga ang gaspang sa face after, diba? So, and then you just pat your face. So, and then, I will show you close up my skin. So, ayan, medyo parang nag-red yung cheeks ko. Parang mas fresh ha. And then, oh, sobrang lambot, guys. As in, I mean, not just because I have chubby cheeks, but it's really just so soft on my skin. May pimple ako, but wala rin yan. It doesn't feel dry at all. And that's what I look for with cleansers. Kasi minsan you forget to tone, you forget to moisturize. So, it's nice to have a very moisturizing facial wash. So, ayan. Fresh na fresh. And then after that, I move on to my toner. So for their toner naman, since like I said, Celotex is super duper gentle, I got the oil control toner because if you are combination skin, then you will need a bit of oil control. Yan. Yung iba kasi, diba, pag in-apply mo yung toner, parang di ka na makahinga. This one is just a good everyday toner nang hindi ka parang, so, ayan, mas nalinis na yung face.
Isang dalagang Pilipina, yeah.
And then after that, I use my moisturizer. So this one naman, I've picked acne clearing because like I said, I have a pimple there. And also, it's a gel, meaning it's not as thick of a consistency kasi I'm very sweaty. And if you are also medyo ma-oily, like I suggest you use the gel version. It's still moisturizing, but it's just not as, ano ba, like lagkit. And then I just massage it like that. And then kung ano natira, I will blend it down my neck na lang. Like so. And then there you go. That was my on-the-budget skincare routine. Actually, pag bumili nga kayo ng ibang mga skincare, isang product pa lang 1,000 na. So the fact na hundreds lang to, sobrang okay siya. Lalo na it's for everybody. Lalaki, babae, bata, matanda. You can use Celotex kasi nga, like I said, it's moisturizing and everyone needs moisture. Kahit oily skin ka, you need moisture. So I do suggest you guys buy this, and this, and this. I even used this before for my clients as well when I did makeup professionally because it's the most parang versatile brand that I know that won't react on different skin types. So yeah, pretty much it. And medyo nagdo-dry na yung nilagay kong gel. At sa mga magtatanong, you do this twice a day when you wake up and before you sleep. Masasanay din naman kayo if you start now. So don't worry too much about it. So let me just repeat again. If you want to buy Celotex product, actually Lazada, you know, Lazada is always on sale. Lazada is selling this for 30% off. You could just use my code. I will post a link down in the description box or just the code down there so you can get it and save some money. Always nice to have a discount code. When you buy it there online, just type CLTQ Teena, that's CLTQ TEENA to get 30% off. I repeat, 30% off. Sorry, I couldn't shout. Natutulog na yung mga tao. So that is it. I just wanted to share to you guys the skincare that I used to do back then when I was in college, when I was younger. Talagang I think I used these products for a good 3 years back then. So it's nice to know that until now it still works. So try it for yourself, for your sister, for your brother, for your mom, for your daddy, for everybody else, for the whole barangay. Anyway, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more of my videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the post notification button to be notified when I upload more videos. Key care of the day is right here. Congratulations, you're today's shout out. If you want to be the next video shout out, just comment down below. Hashtag Kika Update. And I will pick you for the next one. So that is it. I have nothing else to say. And honestly, gusto ko na pong matulog. Ang sarap kasi matulog pag bagong ligo and bagong skincare. Honestly, if you guys haven't tried it, try it. It will change your nighttime routine. Sarap matulog ng fresh, guys. Try nyo din. So I have nothing else to say. And with all that said, I want you guys to never forget that you are beautiful.